One of our senator, our former senator for Nigeria, won't be like, say, man, only you want a politician, only you want a singer, only you want a dancer, only you want an actor, only you want an actress. My country people, they always tell now for this my program, say, problem not they finish. It be like Nigeria government. It not they finish. When I know say Nigeria government, it get the third day. Every day na different stories now we dey hear. Or no government, Fulani herdsmen. Not be any other person now na they see for my screen. So Dino Melaye. When I know say this our former senator, he sabi dey sing well. If they sing, you know say go dey dance, they follow on. Only you want a singer, only you want a dancer, only you want an actress, only you want an actor. My country people, wahala not too much. Oh yeah, but not be smart, you know. At the waka they go for social media this morning, and now I go jam one of your video when be like say, if I come they talk to Arsenal coach, my people, if you see the praise and worship when this matter they praise the worship, maybe this is a nice church in there, if they praise, if they worship, when I know say the man get very good voice. So guys, make I not to waste on time. Make I leave una with this video. We will see each other for the end. Oh yeah, Dino Melaye.
Mikel Arteta, you are the source of our problem. Arteta, you are the source of our problem. Mikel Arteta, you are the source of our problem. You are the source of our problem. Every power that is keeping Mikel Arteta in Arsenal, what are you waiting for? Die, 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 die! I want you to demonstrate your power, oh Lord. Every force that is keeping Mikel Arteta in Arsenal, what are you waiting for? Die! Mikel, go! Go! Go in the name of the Father, go in the name of the Son, go in the name of the Holy Ghost.
But when I say wahala too much, when I see the video when I tell now, when I see Dino Melaye, now our former senator, now be this one, in from Kogi State, not be small thing though. When I see the way they sing, they praise and worship, they dance, they follow, and the body movement, and you yourself, and where this man and one of the Nigeria politicians will be like, say man, I just too like the man way. Now one of those politicians will be like, say man, you know they commonalize the common people, you understand the way other politicians they don't will be like, say man, they know they regard the youth. This one, they always they like one carry the youth along one time. When I understand, when I read the follow and the study, it like the common people, like the Nigeria youth will be like, say man, then they come up. Well, for me, I like make this man be Nigeria president anyway. See my word, I like make this man be Nigeria president anyway. Imagine say Dino Melaye be Nigeria president. And Nigeria won't be. When I sure say this man not go sell that country use and take buy one wristwatch or one Lamborghini. Oga. When I sure say if this Dino Melaye become Nigeria president today, if he sell that country, he go just sell and go Dubai, go use and take buy estate, use and take order one Ferrari. Guys, maybe we'll go straight to the. So guys, this other news now, news will be like say may take place for Edo State. Not be small thing, you know. Two brothers they go destroy their brother-in-law shrine for Edo State. My people, wahala, and they always tell now for this my platform say wahala be like Nigeria government. When be like say my sister was born, no changes. We don't know whether we they go forward, we don't know whether we they come backward. That's Nigeria for you. They say why they go destroy this shrine. One they see for my screen. So because say their sister disappear. So guys, I not can really know whether na this their brother-in-law when be native doctor. So now you can make their brother disappear. I can understand. Guys, and wahala dey. They say because they don't see their sister again. Now because of that one, I made them go destroy this shrine. And the video now they see for my screen. So guys, what be your opinion concerning this video for waiting these two guys then do so? They go destroy their brother-in-law shrine just like that. Me and you know say shrine not be where you just carry just enter say you want go destroy am. Even some men of God for Nigeria will be like say man, that they go shrine with boldness, just go like that, say make dem go pack everything throway, say they don pray put. E no easy, take by the grace of God. You understand? It's take by the grace of God just for you to go somebody shrine like that. Say you go destroy with boldness. Guys, that one get the way e be o. If na shrine wey be like say man, e really dey active, guy, you don enter one chance o. You don enter one chance. You understand? I no really know wetin happen anyway. Na the way I take see the news, now I come take present am to una so. These guys, they be brothers. They say because of say their sister disappear, they come march go their brother in-law shrine. They come go begin dey destroy the shrine. The video dey very very short anyway. I go still play am for una the way e take dey for internet. You now understand? Well, if you come across this video, make sure say you drop your comment below, because through your comment now go take know wetin be your opinion regarding this news wey be like say I carry come knack for una table. So guys, make I leave una, make we go straight to the other news, make we not to waste time. Meanwhile, happy Sunday to all of una. I remain your humble brother, me picking one of your universe, aka or one. Now guys, make we go straight to the other.
See, now our sister.
Ha!
No agree.
For this time, hey, I really know.
Maybe my family is supposed to do this too. I think I do something.
Hey, family, see me.
Oui, ça. Oui, ça.
They do anything to my family.
Oui, ça.
They do not anything to my family. 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 If they don't my family, you tell my sister, Emily. Emily, tell my sister. I don't care for you. Emily, tell my sister. Don't my family. So do this too. Don't my family. Emily, see. Don't my family. I don't care for you. I don't care. Food. I don't care for my sister here. See. Emily, don't my family. So do this too. Emily, don't my family. Emily, see.
So guys, this other news still dey come from Edo State. Not be smart, you know. Some young guys from Nigeria, Edo State. If una see the way they come, they throw money for air. They say that they celebrate their new Mercedes Benz when they new back. They begin to throw money for air. As he say they be Cubana Chief Prince. I come across this video. I come say, you know, they see now. Where we come they go for that country again called Nigeria, we don't know. These guys, they be small boys, so this one where they tell now. So I go still play the video one time, I understand, because they play music for the background. So because of that music, I don't want to get issue with YouTube. So I go play for now small. I go mute the remaining place, so I understand. So guys, when I see these guys that they throw money for air, I can't like, if really this money not genuine, when I understand, this youth, these guys, these young guys, they not feel your boat, can't they do this kind of thing for outside? If you not even see the Mercedes Benz when these small boys they buy, guys, if you not say una go hold na head though. And they always they turn for this my platform say wahala be like Nigeria government when be like say man. If they always they get K-leg, una know say they not the straight. It be like una know now K-leg. Now know as their matter they be. I come across this video, I come like, what is the generation of these days? Where will they go? Where will they come from? We not know again. Small boys, guys. If you not see the way that they throw away money, if you not see the way that they throw away money for air, I can't even like police not there Benin again. Police not there those states again. At least when this kind of thing, police supposed to come like interrupt all these guys, like question the first, hold them first, go one side, ask them where una for see this money, how una take get this money. How una take buy all these Benz? Una understand? This one na police work, not be to go dey embarrass innocent people for street when be like say man, they manage their life they go. Not before una to go dey embarrass people when be like say man, they drive their small Camry, their small car they go. Not before una to go dey embarrass people when be like say man, they look good, they dress fine for street. Not be that one be una problem now. Now only Nigeria police as say wetin they suppose do right, they go leave and they'll go they do the wrong thing. Una see somebody when come from Europe now, when they drive a car they go, or when draw tattoo, or when look good. Una know the way suffer take dey for Europe. Una think say that they do all those things for Europe. They know they do all those things for Europe, or when you just come out, you carry Benz, you begin to throw money for air. Before you know una know Europe police and they be like beings. In fact, they be spirit. Before you know that 2 seconds, and they go follow you stand. as dem dey stand dem don dey control you. So how you take get that money when you take buy that Benz? Dem go wan know how you take get that money when you dey throway for air. If you dey work, say you dey work for company, e no concern you, concern dem o. If the company don pay you your salary, you fit go supermarket, you fit go as I go dey throway the money for air. So far no use am disturb anybody. Make sure say that thing no cause wetin go delete somebody life. Make sure say that thing wey you wan dey do so, e no result to the one wey be like say man, e go destroy people property, e go affect the common people wey be like say man, dem dey waka dey go on their own for street. Because if you are caught, guys, your own don finish o. Argument no dey. Europe no be like Nigeria wey be like say you just carry your go, just dey do anything wey you like, nobody go question you. Police no dey to ask you, nobody dey to ask you. I come across this video, I come like, where we dey go for Nigeria, guys? We no come know again. So make I not to waste una time, make I leave una with this video. Make
Serapa
Go, video me,